Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a wishlist to your WordPress website using WooCommerce and create a wishlist page that your customers can actually interact with. By the end of this video, you'll be able to give your visitors a simple way to save their favorite products, making shopping on your site easier, more personal, and more likely to lead to repeat sales. Let's jump right into it. First, there are just a few basic things you'll need before you start. Make sure you have a functional WordPress website up and running, the WooCommerce plugin installed and activated, and access to your WordPress admin dashboard. If you've got those ready, you're all set for today's tutorial. So step 1 is to install and activate a Wishlist plugin. The easiest way to add wishlist functionality to WooCommerce is by using a dedicated plugin. Think of these like apps for your website that add new features with just a few clicks. One of the most popular options is WYITH WooCommerce Wishlist. Here's how you grab it. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins over on the left. Then click Add New in the search bar at the top right. Type WYITH WooCommerce Wishlist when you see it pop up in the results. Hit Install Now after a moment once the installation finishes. Click Activate if you've never installed a plugin before. Don't worry, it's a routine process and WordPress walks you through it. Now that you've got wishlist capabilities on your site, it's time for step 2. Configuring the plugin settings so the wishlist works exactly how you want. In your dashboard, look for the new WYITH menu and select Wishlist. Most of the magic happens here. The plugin usually creates a dedicated wishlist page for you automatically, which is super convenient. You'll find options under the General Settings tab if you want to verify which page is being used, or even switch it to a page of your choosing. Next, let's talk about those wishlist buttons. You can customize the Add to Wishlist button so it fits your site's style. Change the text, the color, and even the position, like whether it shows up inside or outside your product grid. Making sure it looks right in your store means customers recognize it instantly and aren't lost searching for how to save their favorites. There's also a Remove from Wishlist button you can tweak similarly, so users can manage their saved items easily. A really useful section is the product page options. For example, you can choose whether people need to be logged in before adding products to their wishlist, which is great if you want to encourage signups, or you can enable guest wishlists, making it frictionless for new users. There's also the option to add social sharing buttons, so users can show off their wishlist to friends, and enable an item counter so people can instantly see how many cool things they've saved. Once you're happy with your setup, just don't forget to hit Save Changes. It's easy to miss, and you definitely want your new settings to be live. Finally, step 3, displaying the wishlist on your website. The plugin is designed to integrate itself right into WooCommerce, so as soon as everything's activated and configured, the Add to Wishlist button will start appearing automatically on all your product pages. Your customers can now browse, select their favorites, and keep a running list of what they love, all within your store. And there you have it, a wishlist system up and running in your WooCommerce shop, no coding required. This simple upgrade can make a huge difference for your customers, giving them a more personal shopping experience and helping them remember the products they can't wait to come back for. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or get stuck at any step, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.